Hello and welcome back, dear students. In today's class, we'll start with exercise 12A, question number 2, part 8. Okay, the question is to evaluate and find the value of this expression. So it is same as the other previous questions, till question number 7. How we used to do? Okay, this into this plus 5y square into this, which means this step, opening the brackets, and then you have to multiply term by term. 3 3s are 9, x square is x to the power 4, plus into minus is minus, 5 3s are 15, x square into y square, plus 5 3s are 15, y square into x square, plus into minus, 5 5s are 25, y square into y square is y to the power 4. Okay, so simply just by opening the brackets. Now here what we see is minus 15x square y plus 15x square y. This 2 gets cancelled out, and then the leftover is the answer. That is this minus this. Okay. See, this is question number 8. Now question number 9 and question number 10 are similar. Alright. In question number 10, we have 3 by 5 into a plus half into 3 by 5 into a minus half. Now if I see this properly, it is in the formula of a plus b into a minus b. We have learned the formula. The formula was a square minus b square. So if you see here properly, this is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. The same numbers we have, 3 by 5a, 3 by 5a, plus and minus, half and half. Okay, so it is in the formula of a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, the same thing could have been done out here also. It is in the form a plus b, a minus b. It is in the formula of a square minus b square. Okay, so the same thing you'll get even if you do multiplication out here. It will be the same thing. Okay, so a square minus b square. So if you open the bracket, this square is for both 3 and 5, we know. 3 square 9, 5 square 25, a square minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 because there is a whole square. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. Alright, dear students, let's move ahead with question number 3 now. Now I'm doing directly question number 3. Okay, 2 till 10, it's enough. Now we are doing question number 3. Here also, please remember this formula. This formula we have done in factorization, isn't it? In chapter number 13. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. We have done this. All right. If you look at here, this first 2 terms, you can see out here it is in the form of a plus 1 into a minus 1. So again, this is in the formula of a square minus b square for only this 2. Okay, and into this one you write as it is. Okay, so this is nothing but a square minus 1 because 1 square is 1 into a square plus 1. Now once again, what do we see? It is in the formula of a. See, here also a square, here also a square. They are the same expression just with plus and minus. So hence I'll write this first, a square plus 1 into a square minus 1. So what do you see? It is the formula of a plus b into a minus b, which means a square minus b square. Okay, first number whole square minus second number whole square. So therefore a square whole square means a to the power 4 minus 1, which is the answer. Okay, so please pause the video, understand and note it down. Alright, question number 3, part 2. I don't think so anything I have to explain because it is same as this. Here I have a plus b, a minus b. So directly it is in the formula of a square minus b square. So write this within the curly bracket. So you'll be getting a square minus b square into a square plus b square. Now what you do, you write this first and you write the second, which means this line. If you see now properly, boys, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Okay, a means a square out here and b means b square. So a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So please pause the video and note it down. All right, boys, let's move ahead with question number 4. Your question number 4 says that clearly use the formula of a square minus b square, which is equals to this, to evaluate. We have to use this formula, okay? The question is 21 into 19. Now 21 and 19, the difference is only 2. 19, 20, 21. So which is the middle number in between 19 and 21? It is 20. See, 21 I can write it as 20 plus 1. 19 I can write it as 20 minus 1. Isn't it? 21 is 20 plus 1. 19 is 20 minus 1. So if you see this properly, is it in the formula of a plus b into a minus b? What is your a? 20. What is your b? 1. So 20 plus 1 into 20 minus 1 is same as a plus b into a minus b. So if this is the case, then the formula is a square minus b square. So which is 20 square minus 1 square. 20 square means 20 into 20, which is 400. 1 square is 1. 400 minus 1 is 399. I hope everything is clear with this, boys. The same goes out here. 103 into 97. This is 4 part 3. 103 into 97. How can I express? Can I write this as 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 3? Now I think so you are clear with this lines. It is in the formula of a plus b into a minus b. So that is a square minus b square. You subtract, you'll be getting this much. Okay. So please pause the video, note it down. Alright, boys, we come to the end of today's class. Okay, so with this formula we are able to do 4 part 1, 4 part 3. Your homeworks I have written out here: 3 part 3 part 4, 4 part 2 part 4, 5 part 1 part 2. So please complete this and submit it to me by tomorrow. Thank you, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye bye.